Welcome to our complete guide on Robinhood Gold. Today, we'll explore the exciting benefits of the Gold card and how you can take advantage of them. First, let's talk about what you need to qualify for Robinhood Gold. You'll need to meet some basic requirements, including: getting started is easy. Download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play to begin. Next, let's create your Robinhood account. Follow these simple steps to sign up and get ready to trade. Now, let's navigate to the Gold membership section in the app. Look for the Gold option listed under your account settings. It's important to understand the cost associated with Robinhood Gold. Here's a breakdown of the subscription fees. You'll have options to choose from, so let's discuss how to select the Gold features that best fit your trading style. Before finalizing your subscription, make sure to review the terms and conditions carefully. You're almost done. Let's complete the process to activate your Robinhood Gold subscription. Congratulations! You've now learned how to get your Robinhood Gold card. Enjoy the unique features and benefits that come with it.